Have you ever started fasting and maybe you have felt like, wow, I just have so much energy? Or maybe you have felt the complete opposite where you are so tired you don't want to get out of bed. If this is your first time to the channel, I am Brandy, and in today's video, we're going to talk about exactly why you can either feel super energetic or super tired during a fast. I am also going to give you my best tips on how to stay energized without the crash. When I first started fasting, I really struggled, especially the first few days. I felt exhausted all the time, and all I did was think and obsess about food. Now, I did a lot of research before I started fasting, and I kind of knew that this could be normal, that I could get really tired for a little while my body adapted. So I stuck with it, I made a few changes, and now fasting is really when I feel my best. So let's talk about why this happens. Real quick, I just want to mention that I am not a doctor. I am just sharing what I have learned. It is always a good idea to check with your doctor before making any health changes. There are a few main reasons why your energy changes when you are fasting. Number one, glycogen depletion. So your body stores glycogen in your liver and your muscles. During the first 12 to 24 hours of your fast, your body uses up these glycogen stores. And once these are depleted, your body has to switch from burning sugar for fuel to fat for fuel. This transition period can make you feel really tired. Now, once your body adapts to burning fat for fuel, it produces ketones. This is a very clean and efficient energy source for your brain and muscles. This is kind of when you're going to really start to feel like, wow, I really feel amazing when I fast. Ketones are a super efficient energy source, and your brain really thrives on them, which can help you think clearly, help you concentrate, and really be able to focus. It really gives you a sharp mental clarity. Your hormones can change during a fast, which can really affect your energy. When you fast, your body increases norepinephrine. This helps you feel kind of naturally energized and alert. Now, because fasting is a stress in the body, our bodies will release cortisol when we are fasting because this is a stress hormone that helps us deal with stressful situations. Now, if your cortisol levels are already high because you are under a lot of stress, fasting can add extra strain, which therefore can make you feel extra tired and drained. Fasting also affects electrolyte balance. When we are fasting, our kidneys release water and electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium. And these minerals are essential for energy. So if these levels get low, it can leave us kind of feeling tired and fatigued. Now, these are some of the reasons people feel tired and sluggish during a fast. But what about those of us who get really super energized and kind of skip right over the tired phase? Maybe in that case, you are someone who is already fat adapted, and your body can easily switch from burning sugar for fuel to burning fat for fuel. Or maybe you are someone who your blood sugar was already stable during a fast. You have good sleep and good stress management, so your cortisol levels are balanced. So basically, your body doesn't go into panic mode when you run out of glycogen stores, and your body easily switches to fat burning for fuel. If you are feeling really tired during a fast, this does not necessarily mean that fasting is the wrong thing for you. It just may mean that your body is trying to adapt and adjust to fasting so that it can switch to fat burning for fuel. Or maybe you are not eating enough nutrient-dense foods during your eating window, so you are really low on minerals. You might be over-exercising while you're fasting, and your body just can't keep up with, the extra energy expenditure. Or maybe you're not sleeping well. Fasting is not magic, and it cannot make up for sleep deprivation. Now, here is the good news. There are always ways to increase your energy and to help your body adjust to fasting. So you just need to drink plenty of water and maybe add some electrolytes to your water, like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. And be sure to start off slow if you are new to fasting. Start off with a 12 to 14 hour fast and work your way up. Your energy will improve as your body adapts. Be sure to eat nutrient-dense foods once you break your fast. Get plenty of healthy fats, proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Be sure to limit things like alcohol, sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods. Also, it is highly important that you manage your stress. High stress plus fasting can really crash your energy. Even 5 minutes of breathing exercises or a short walk can really help lower stress. If you have really high levels of stress, you really should focus on reducing your stress levels before you start fasting. Also, be sure to prioritize your sleep. Sleep really is essential for your body to have time to heal and repair. Fasting really has amazing health benefits, but it really cannot make up for lack of sleep. So when you are fasting and you really want to maximize your energy, here is a simple low stress routine you can follow each day. Start your day with like a glass of water with maybe a pinch of salt in it. Get some light exercise in the morning, like stretching, walking, some light weights. Break your fast with protein and healthy fats, and maybe some colorful fruits or vegetables. And be sure to keep your schedule lighter on longer fasting days. So if you're feeling really tired and sluggish during your fast, do not panic. This is just your body adjusting to fasting. Be sure to give your body time, feed it healthy foods, and keep your body hydrated. Maybe add some electrolytes to your water and be sure to get plenty of rest. That energy boost that lots of people get with fasting is a real thing, and you can absolutely get there too. You just have to be patient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit subscribe, like, and tap the bell. I would really love to connect with you. So if you have tried fasting, please drop in the comments like how it's working out for you, how you've been feeling. Maybe you have some tips for people on how to make it easier. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy.